Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this magnetic wristband. It's perfect for when you're working on those jobs where you're under a car and you need to keep hold of fasteners. It's well built, has some little pockets in it as well that also can be magnetised. Got a good rubber strap, so if you need to just slide it on, hold it on your wrist like that, you can. Cutting down fairly easy. Let me just get this up. So as you can see, cutting down fairly easily, holding it quite nicely. Got quite decent Velcro, not going to loosen itself off. We've got a few things that we're going to stick to it now, not that you can see it, but let me just move the camera down for you, there we go. So we'll start off with this 23mm socket, and it just sticks on there very nicely. As you can see, plenty of shake, nothing coming off. But what really excels is holding like little bits. So here are just some bits. As you can see, all on there, can't go anywhere. You can also stick these in the pockets as I mentioned earlier. Let me just open the pocket, slide them in there, and now you've got a nice secure place to keep hold of stuff. It won't scratch your vehicle if you're working on top of the paintwork. All you have to do is just fish in there and get the one that you want. Wasn't the most ideal option, but nonetheless. Also you can stick on like fasteners, so there's a couple of bolts. Again, fairly secure. You also use like spanners. I haven't got a spanner on me at the moment, but here's a Allen wrench angle grinder spanner, should I say. Popped on there very nicely, as you can see. Not going to go anywhere. Just the camera again quickly. And yeah, they're all fairly handy. You can see plenty of shaking on this. Nothing's going to come off. Useful for when you're under a vehicle and you don't want to lose something, you don't want it rolling off. Or if you need to swap sockets. Like, these are quite bulky sockets really. I've got a 21mm and a 23mm to pop them on. And you can see, it will hold on very well. And if you need to swap it over, you can. Also good for extensions. I haven't got one up here at the moment, but yeah, very good for extensions. Also you can use it as a mat, so you can lay it out like this and stick it on, say, like the hood of a car or on the windowsill, and just literally use it to hold your parts so they can't shake and roll off. Pretty handy. Obviously, like I said, it can go on your wrist, which I've already shown you, but I'll show you again. Easiest way to do this, I find, you just slap your hand for this little hook it's got here, and then literally just, easy to do without a camera in the way, admittingly. Just load it up with the bits you need, and away you go. So my final thoughts on this magnetic wristband. It's come in really handy for me so far. Like I said, I've used it a few times now. Very comfortable with the padding on the back that I forgot to mention earlier. Useful and does its job well. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.